Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blenders food processors that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Oster Blender. Serious blender users appreciate having all the bells and whistles at an affordable cost, which describes the Oster Pro 1200 blender. Precision and control are remarkable with multiple speeds and several pre-programmed speed settings that permit time-saving operations like one-touch salsa blending. This elite food processor blender with a glass jar is all about making things easy for you. Instead of having to monitor the blending and processing operations of the product, you can rely on multiple speed and program settings. The program settings are ideal for creations that you may not be familiar making, such as creamy milkshakes. For those of you who may have previously owned an Oster Pro blender or food processor, this model's blades are 50% larger than before, creating faster and smoother results. You can count on smooth blending results thanks to a 1200-watt power motor that spins the blades in forward and reverse motions. In addition to silky smoothies, this blender prepares fruits and vegetables with a chopping blade and stainless steel slicing disc. The modern, stainless steel design is a lovely addition to your countertop and can even make tasty soups for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ninja HB152 Foodi Heat IQ Blender. The Ninja Foodi HB152 is the most user-friendly blender in this review. It's one of Ninja's latest addition to their product line of blenders. This product features a very powerful heating element and a blending motor. Its blending motor has a peak of 1400-watt power capacity while the heating element has 800 watts. Also, it has a very sharp 4-prong set of blending blades for the best performance. Aside its user-friendliness, one of its most significant selling points is that it can handle both hot and cold recipes. The motor is powerful enough to handle traditional functions such as ice crushing, ice cream making, and frozen drinks blending. You can also use it to puree vegetables and fruits for smoothie making. It has a pulse button that lets you dice and chop ingredients quickly. Aside the 1400W motor base and built-in blade system, its accessories include a 64-ounce glass pitcher. This has a maximum cold fluid capacity of 56 ounces. There is also a locking lid with a center cap that is removable. Other accessories include a cleaning brush and a tamper. One of the downsides of the model is that you can only hand wash it. Because of the electrical connector at the base, it isn't dishwasher safe. However, the blender's lid accessories can be washed in the dishwasher. Also, they are safe from bisphenol A, BPA. At number 3, we have the Ninja Kitchen System. If you are searching the market for something that's all-in-one for your food processing, blending, and dough making needs, the Ninja 1200 BL700 is precisely what you need. From pulverizing whole fruits and vegetables to creating pizza dough, it's all possible with this blender's total crushing technology and interchangeable stainless steel blades. Part of the interchangeable blade attachments includes a unique dough blade. The blade is designed to effortlessly mix the toughest of dough, including pretzel and pizza. Since this food processor blender was designed to recreate how you make dough, it also comes with a dough paddle for your convenience. This paddle will come in handy for delicious cookie dough. In addition to the total crushing technology, the versatility of this product offers the simple experience of feeling like you are mixing, kneading, and blending with a skilled chef. To add precision and ease to your blending and kneading creations, you will enjoy smart speed technology that features a pulse control. It's a terrific kitchen helper when you need party dishes like dips and homemade pretzels, and you can enjoy nutritious smoothies anytime as well. With numerous features and attachments, you will want this handy helper for everyday use. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart BFP 703BC Smart Power Duet Blender. If you are on budget, then you will like our next pick. The Cuisinart BFP 703BC is the budget option on this roundup. It comes with a relatively powerful motor that is one of the best for a variety of produce that require some blending. The design is simple, yet elegant in its way. It comes with several parts that are made of high-quality parts. The container, for example, is a 48 ounces jar that is made of high-grade BPA-free plastic. Thus, it will last for a long time of use. Additionally, the control panel is one of the best at this price. All the buttons are clearly labeled and easy to use. The body of the blender itself is made of high-grade metal. Therefore, it will remain durable even if it falls a few times. The parts are also dishwasher-friendly. Therefore, you will find it easy to clean after use. Away from the design of the parts, the actual performance is excellent. It has a relatively powerful 500W motor and has 6 pulse speeds. Thus you can use it to blend different type of produce and finally at number 1, we have the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. People have busy lives and don't need appliances slowing them down. The Ninja BL700 was designed to address the issue of time by performing quick operations. Did you ever think you could make 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds? It's possible with this blender. The pitcher and processing bowl can hold large quantities, saving time by eliminating the need for creating multiple batches. Also, it's easy to carry your food and drink creations with you because the food processor blender comes with 2 to-go cups. You don't have to worry about accidentally spilling your smoothie during your commute because the cups have secure travel lids. If you want, you can even store extra drinks and anything else in the cups because the XL pitch and bowl blend large batches with professional performance. Whole vegetables and fruits are chopped and blended in a matter of seconds. You can trust the quality of the total crushing and pulverizing operations because of a powerful 1500-watt base, comparable with commercial blenders. Additionally, your drinks will be more nutritious and better tasting because of the efficient nutrient and vitamin extraction technology.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.